In this video, I will be showing you a website that will pay you for other people's videos. So in order to make money with this, you don't need a camera, any special skills or experience, because all you literally need to do is sign up and click the download button. So you don't need to invest any money, and it works all over the world no matter which country you come from. And that's the best about it. It has nothing to do with YouTube, so you don't need any subscribers or whatsoever. It is super easy, but you must follow all the steps from this video if you want to make it work, because there's a lot of people that know about these platforms, but they make some common mistakes, and that's why they can't make any money. So if you want to make this work for you, then stick with me until the end of the video, and I will share with you some special bonuses. Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. Okay, now, as always, in order to make it easier for you to make money, I'm gonna explain you everything step by step. I'm gonna show you where to go, what to click, and what to do in act to actually make money with this strategy. So you can just watch this video, follow along with me, follow all the steps until the end of the video, and after it ends, you will be ready to start making money by downloading different videos. So, the first step is to come over to a website called plrminds.com. PLR stands for Private Label Rights, and you will see exactly how downloading these videos will make you money. And no, I'm not gonna tell you to sell them or whatsoever. This strategy has nothing to do with selling it. It has nothing to do with affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, or anything like that. It's super easy and anyone can literally do this. Once you come over to plrminds.com, the second step is to scroll down a little bit and click on this Join Now button. Click on that green button and it will take you over to the register page where you will need to sign up for absolutely free to this website. They do have a gold membership, but you don't need that. You just need the free one. Click on that free right here, scroll down a little bit, and then your third step will be to sign up to this platform for absolutely free. Enter your email address, then retype the same email address, or you can just copy and paste it right here. After which, just open up your email and you will see an email from PLR Minds. You just click on this link right here to activate your account. Click on that and it will take you over to this page where you can finish your registration. So you'll need to create a username that's something unique for your account. After you do that, I want you to hover your mouse right here where it says freebies. Click on that freebies and that's going to show you that you can download like hundreds of different products, digital products from this website. And you can do whatever you want with them, because Private Label Rights gives you a license to resell these products. It gives you full rights to change them, give them out for free, or do whatever you want with them, and that's really nice. So, you can download different ebooks and load of different products and softwares from this website for absolutely free. Plus, you will get a license to do whatever you want with those products. So yeah, that's a really cool thing, right? If you need some ebooks, if you want to learn something, if you want some free softwares, some free graphics, just come over here and grab it for absolutely free. But that's not the point here. We are here to make money by downloading videos, and that's exactly what we will do. So, the next step is to scroll down a little bit until you find this free video section right here. I want you to click where it says access it here. Click here, and before we continue, just make sure to follow all the previous steps. If you haven't already, go back, follow, and finish all of them. Complete all the steps that I've just showed you, because otherwise you will get confused and lost, and this will not work for you. Just follow the steps until the end of the video so you will actually be able to make some money. Anyways, as you can see, these are all the videos that we can download for absolutely free from this website. And when we download them, we actually get a free license to resell them or give them away for absolutely free on other websites. And there's one more platform which I want to share with you that will actually pay you for downloading these videos from this website. So I'm gonna click Get Now right here. It will then take me over to the next page where I can read more about the video I'm downloading. But if I don't want to read, I can just scroll down a little bit and here I can see Digi Results Affiliate Explosion. That's how the video is called, and I can click the download button right here and that will immediately download the video to my computer. It's gonna actually download the zip file that contains the video with the license. If you're learning a lot on this video, smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. And now, I just want you to come over to this website. They will pay you for those videos, and as you can see, these are all real people, real time and making a real money on this website and being paid for uploading different videos. So this platform will actually pay you for those videos that you download. As you can see, there are like over 60,000 pages of different people making money from this website. So there's definitely a lot of money to be made here. Now this website's name is file-upload.com. So your next step is to come over to this website. And as you can see, this is free cloud storage for your data. So not only can you store your data for absolutely free on this website, but it will also pay you for uploading files on their platform. Because once someone downloads your files, they will show some ads. And file-upload.com will be splitting the ad revenue with you. So that's how it works here. And that's how both of you and the website will be making money, in case you're wondering. But that's not really important. What you have to do is just to click here where it says Start Uploading Files Now. Then click on this icon right here to open up a folder. Then find the video which you previously downloaded from the first website that we talked about. Double click on the video so we can upload it. Then you can write a brief description if you want. And finally, just click Start Upload and it will start uploading the video to this website now. While this is uploading, let me show you something. If I click on Make Money right here, it's going to show me that we can get paid up to $7 per 1,000 downloads of our files. So we can upload a video for absolutely free, and since it's a useful video, it's an actual training from this website, a lot of people will be interested in downloading it. And they can download it for absolutely free, but we are going to get paid. So as you can see, this is our download link. Whenever someone uses this link to download this video, we can get paid because file-upload.com is splitting the ad revenue with us. If you come over to this homepage, you're going to be able to see that they accept different payment options. So you can withdraw your money either with Bitcoin or PayPal. I know those two are your favorites, and I know that a lot of people love them too. But in case you don't want to use them, you can have Visa Perfect Money and Litecoin. So there's no shortage of ways on how you can grab and withdraw your money from this platform. And that's exactly how all of these people have been making money over and over again. And as you can see, some of them are making over $100 a day with this platform. Now, if you want to maximize your results and earn even more money, what I recommend you to do is to grab your download link for that video and go over to different platforms and share it with different people so they can download it as well. Maybe you can even share it with your friends and family. Tell them that they can download it for absolutely free and it will benefit you a lot. You can also share it in different Facebook groups, on Twitter, on Instagram, maybe on YouTube in the comment section. Just share it with a bunch of people who will actually value the videos, because these videos that you download from plrminds.com are actually valuable trainings which people can benefit from. So why not? It's absolutely free for them and it's absolutely free for you. So it's a win-win situation. You can definitely make quite a bit of money with this file-upload.com. I hope you did get some value out of this video, and if you did, please don't forget to drop a like and leave a thumbs up. And if you haven't already yet, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel with notifications on so that you will not be missing out any of the new contents. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in some of the next videos.